I've got today a little different unboxing, and that is because I was actually had things up here because I'm going to be working on my China Shepherdess video, and rather than move the camera and the light and everything back to my building, we're just going to do this different background. So I was originally going to do this as a live stream, and then decided I hadn't done an unboxing for a while, so I do it here. If you'd like to see me do more live streams, if you'd like to see unbox live streams, let me know in the comments below. Now I'm going to start out, first off, where this is from is Simi Valley. They are selling off well, swag basically that they had left over from the event, and they're actually doing more stuff now with their logo on it. So they just added sweatshirts and stuff. They also had big posters of their posters, and by the time I got one ordered, they did not have that anymore. I may have to email them because I do not see the poster. Oh, there it is. I didn't realize how small it was. Alright, so this is what I got from them. And first off, I got some of the postcards they had showing the tree there and the horses coming, and I think that's probably the wagon, I'm not sure. These are pretty pricey postcards, they're 50 cents a piece, but I do postcards, so I had to get them. And they also have Big Sky Movie Ranch with the sign in front. Love postcards. Then, what do you think next? What is my favorite thing to buy? T-shirts. So this again is their 50th design. The 50's pretty light on there, but it is again that hill. It's basically their logo, and it says 50th. And while I did not actually get to go, I always love to get a t-shirt. I have several t-shirts from events I didn't get to go to. And another thing I always like to collect, tin cups. This is a huge tin cup. This is a Rose Wilder Lane size tin cup. And it says Little House on the Prairie 50th anniversary. And I am not going to open this up because it's basically just the same logo again. It's basically this picture only spread out with a little more information, and I don't want to unwrap this and then have to try and wrap it up again. So that is what we've got. We've got the poster, we've got postcards, we've got the freaking huge tin cups, and I think this is probably actually steel, not tin. It looks like it anyway. They're much bigger than the tin cups Laura would have had, and they're much bigger than the tin cups that they would have at any of the home sites. And there's the t-shirt. Now, I did tell Walnut Grove that they were selling these, and they should reach out to Simi Valley and see if they would work out some kind of deal so they could be in the Walnut Grove gift shop too. No idea if that's going to happen. Thank you for joining me along with the unboxing. Again, if you enjoy unboxings, let me know. I'm going to be doing my China Shepherdess video up here. And do not be too excited to see it coming anytime soon, because I'm going to have to do a lot of work on getting it to go. And with that, brighten the corner where you are, and thank you for joining me on Trundlebed Tales. When I recorded the first part of this video, Simi Valley was still adding stuff to their gift shop, and I thought they would continue to do that. But at this point, the only thing they have for sale is the tin cup. I do not know if they're going to go back and add anything else or not. They have unpublished their blog with the extra information. So my guess is they're still trying to get things straightened out. They may or may not add other things back to their gift store. If you want any of this stuff, reach out to Simi Valley, because people demanding to have stuff is probably the thing that would bring stuff back. Right in the corner where you are, and happy 50th.